My first brand launch was a disaster. I ordered 50 t-shirts with my logo slapped on the front, paid $8 per shirt, and spent another $200 on packaging. The shirts arrived wrinkled, the colors were off, and the print quality looked like something from a middle school art project. I sold exactly 3 shirts, 2 to my mom and 1 to my best friend who felt bad for me. The rest sat in my closet for a year before I donated them. That's when I realized something crucial. I wasn't building a brand, I was just making merch. There's a massive difference between the two, and understanding that difference changed everything about how I approached my business. Most people think they can just slap their logo on a cheap t-shirt and call it a brand. That's not branding, that's building a business. Gelato changes everything by giving you access to premium products and a global print-on-demand network that lets you start selling professionally from day one without holding any inventory. Here's what makes Gelato different. They operate 140 plus production hubs across 32 countries with 90% of orders produced locally and delivered within 5 days. This means you can connect your Shopify, Etsy, TikTok shop, or Amazon store and start selling globally while your customers get faster shipping and you get better profit margins. Plus, their local production model reduces shipping distances and carbon emissions. So you're building a sustainable business from the ground up. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up your print-on-demand business, choose products that align with your brand vision, and create designs that people actually want to buy. I've got my referral link to Gelato in the description below. Step 1. Setting up your print-on-demand business foundation. Building a real brand starts with choosing the right infrastructure for your entrepreneurial journey, not just random merchandise. When I first opened Gelato's platform, the interface made me feel like a professional business owner. The difference between this and other platforms I tried was night and day. This was clearly built for creators who want to scale. Create your Gelato account by heading to their website and clicking Create for free. It's completely free to begin your print-on-demand business. Once you're logged in, let's start by clicking the Store section right here. From here is where you can connect your existing store. Whether you're selling on Shopify, Etsy, TikTok Shop, or Amazon, Gelato integrates seamlessly. I connected my Shopify store in under 2 minutes and was ready to start selling. Just select your platform and click the Connect button and follow the authentication prompts. The system will automatically sync your existing products if you have any, making it effortless to expand your current business. Here's what most entrepreneurs don't know. Gelato's network of 140 plus production facilities across 32 countries means your customers get their orders faster while you keep more profit. With 90% of orders produced locally, you're not just selling products. You're providing a premium customer experience that builds brand loyalty. Now let me show you how to choose the right products for your business vision. Step 2, choosing products that build your business. Product selection is everything when it comes to building a profitable print-on-demand business, not just what's cheapest to produce. Product selection separates merch sellers from brand builders. Click on Product Catalog in the left sidebar to access Gelato's full product range. You'll see the main interface with Choose Category at the top, followed by curated collections and expandable categories. Start with your core product. This is the hero item that best represents your brand and solves your customer's primary problem. For apparel brands, this might be a signature t-shirt or hoodie. For lifestyle brands, it might be wall art or mugs. Consider quality tiers. Gelato offers standard and premium options. Brand builders typically choose premium products because quality reflects brand value. Your customer experience depends on product quality, not just design. Evaluate product categories strategically. Don't add 50 products at launch. Start with 3 to 5 core items that tell a cohesive story. As you grow, expand into complementary categories that make sense for your brand. Use the elevated apparel category for premium positioning. These products signal higher quality and justify premium pricing, which reinforces brand perception. Click through categories relevant to your niche. Men's clothing and women's clothing expand to show subcategories. Review options thoroughly before committing. Here's what most entrepreneurs don't know. Gelato shows you the exact production locations for each product. This transparency lets you choose items that align with your business values and your customers' expectations for fast shipping times. The secret is thinking like your customer and building a business they want to support. Step 3. Creating designs that sell your story. Turning your business concept into designs that people can't scroll past requires more than just uploading a logo. It requires understanding what converts. When I uploaded my first design to Gelato's design tools, I was impressed by their magic mockups feature. I could see exactly how my artwork would look on different products in different colors from every angle. This wasn't just a design tool, it was a business validation tool that helped me see what would actually sell. To start, here's the step-by-step process. Click Create Product, then select Single Product to choose your product from the catalog. Once you've selected a product, you'll proceed to the design process, where you can upload your design from your computer by dragging and dropping it here. Next, in the product section, set the variety of products you want to offer in your store. Make sure to check the sizes of your product. Now, let's continue to your product mockups. Right here, let's create magic mockups using AI. Click it, and the interface will appear where you can paste or add a prompt, and the AI will generate it easily. Once done, let's continue to details. Here, add the details of your product, the title and description, which can also be generated with AI. Then let's continue to prices. Just check or set the prices of your product and continue to the review process. This is where we can check all the details and prices of your product. This is how easy creating your product is. Here's what most entrepreneurs don't know. Color matching technology ensures your designs look consistent across different product materials and production locations. No more surprises when your bright red logo turns pink on certain fabrics. Crucial for maintaining brand consistency globally. The pro tip that changed everything for me was using their Price Navigator tool to optimize my pricing strategy based on real market data, ensuring maximum profitability. Step 4. Launching and scaling your global business. Watching your print-on-demand business come to life and reach customers worldwide happens faster than you'd expect with Gelato's infrastructure. When I published my first product collection, Gelato's global network made me feel like an international business owner overnight. Orders from Europe were being fulfilled locally while I slept. Orders from Australia were printed and shipped from nearby facilities, and customers everywhere were getting their products in days, not weeks. It was like having a team of fulfillment centers working around the clock without the overhead costs. Start by setting your pricing strategy using Gelato's Profit Calculator and Price Navigator tool. These show you exactly how much you'll make per sale after production and shipping costs, plus competitive pricing insights. Then enable automatic order routing, which sends each order to the closest production facility for fastest delivery and lowest environmental impact. Here's the specific process. After you click it, set up your pricing for each product using their data-driven tools. Then activate the auto-fulfillment feature. Gelato handles everything from printing to packaging to shipping using sustainable local production. You just focus on marketing and collecting profits. Here's what most business owners don't know. Gelato's average shipping time is under 5 days globally because of their 140 plus local production hubs. Your competitors are dealing with 2-week shipping complaints and high carbon footprints. Your customers are getting their orders fast from nearby facilities, creating better reviews and repeat purchases. The secret that most entrepreneurs miss is leveraging Gelato's analytics dashboard to see which products and designs perform best in different regions, then scaling what works. Let me break down the real business numbers. If you hired a branding agency, you're looking at $5,000 to $15,000. If you learn traditional screen printing and inventory management, that's 6 months of your life plus thousands in upfront costs and storage fees. With Gelato's print-on-demand model, there's zero financial risk because you only pay when you make a sale. The platform is completely free to use for your business. You only pay when you make a sale, which means zero risk and zero inventory costs. What makes this even better is that you can test different products and designs without any financial commitment. It's the smartest way to validate your business ideas before investing heavily. Now, I know what you're thinking. What if my designs don't sell? Gelato's print-on-demand model means you never hold inventory. No risk, no waste, pure profit when you do sell. What if the quality isn't good enough? They offer sample ordering so you can feel the products before selling them to customers. What if shipping takes too long? Their global network with local production delivers faster than most traditional e-commerce stores while reducing environmental impact. What if I'm not creative enough? Their design tools, magic mockups, and templates make it easy for beginners to create professional-looking products. Here's what you get with Gelato: a professional print-on-demand business immediately, customers who see you as a legitimate global brand, higher profit margins with local fulfillment, faster shipping that builds customer loyalty, sustainable business practices that appeal to conscious consumers, and the ability to focus on growing your business instead of managing logistics. Try Gelato for free and get 50% off your first order if made within 2 days of creating your account. Click my referral link in the description to get started. This discount makes it even easier to test your first products and see the quality for yourself. Join thousands of creators who've already built successful print-on-demand businesses with Gelato's global network. Hit subscribe if this helped you see the difference between selling random merch and building a real business, and I'll see you in the next video where we're diving into advanced marketing strategies that turn browsers into buyers. The best time to start your print-on-demand business was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Don't let another day pass wondering what if. Your business is waiting for you to bring it to life with Gelato's global platform.